Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Monday, June 28, 2021. It is 8:34 and 53 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, chocolate. And don't forget to check out my website. So let's hop to it here. Just starting the day off with chocolate could have unexpected benefits. Researchers find the time of day eating milk chocolate could impact regulation of body weight. Date June 27, 2021. Source, Brigham and Women's Hospital. A new study of postmenopausal women has found that eating a concentrated amount of chocolate during a narrow window of time, and the amount may help the body burn fat and decrease blood sugar levels. To find out about the effects of eating milk chocolate at different times of day, researchers from the Brigham collaborated with the investigators at the University of Murcia in Spain. And together, they conducted a randomized controlled crossover trial of 19 postmenopausal women who consumed either 100 grams of chocolate in the morning within 1 hour after waking time, or at night within 1 hour before bedtime. They compared weight gain and many other measures to no chocolate intake. Researchers report that among the women studied, morning or nighttime chocolate intake did not lead to weight gain. Eating chocolate in the morning or in the evening can influence hunger and appetite, microbiota composition, sleep, and more. A high intake of chocolate during the morning hours could help to burn fat and reduce blood glucose levels. Evening night chocolate altered next morning, resting and exercise metabolism. The research findings highlight that not only what, but also when we eat, can impact physiological mechanisms involved in the regulation of body weight. The volunteers did not gain weight, despite increasing caloric intake. The research results show that chocolate reduced ad libitum energy intake, that being consistent with the observed reduction in hunger, appetite, and the desire for sweets, shown in previous studies. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.